So you found a scientist, biosecurity rocks. Your next step? Watch the video. At the end, there's a password. Come to the scientist booth in the pig barn and tell us the password to receive a prize, and have your postcard stamped. When your card is full of stamps, you will get another prize. Then, leave the rock where you found it or move it somewhere else around the fairgrounds for someone else to find. Now, enjoy this video on biosecurity. Equipment and supplies taken to shows are able to carry germs back to your herd. To prevent this, make sure to clean and disinfect all your equipment when you get back. To do this properly, you need to clean with soap, water, and a scrub brush to remove debris. Then apply a proper disinfectant like bleach or intervention to make sure you are deactivating anything that might have tried to come home with you from the show.
The password is scrub-a-dub-dub.